We love sharing good news. So when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.